we thought we don't really care what you got in your
itinerary.
Your schedule. We're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna do a cooking show, and you're gonna film it. And today we're gonna be making my favorite.
Are you paying them? Because they should be able to do whatever you want anyways.
No, they're paying us.
Really?
Yeah.
Do I get to cook? Hey! Hi there.
Howdy! Welcome to Ethel and Betsy's
Cooktastic-rificness.
Kitchen Galore.
Amazing superness.
Yeah, kitchen. Big time.
Cooking. What are we baking today?
We are baking butterscotch cookies. I have made these before. However, they usually cost about $1. You're different because you want to know what? There's an egg in the recipe. This egg cost me $2 goddamn. You want to know how much $2 usually gets me? 24 eggs. Got me 1. It's organic.
Doesn't hurt the chickens.
I've never once even worried about a chicken. Flour. This is the funniest looking flour I have ever seen. It's funny looking. It's almost like you did it by hand.
Well, darling, I did. I grew it up and back.
Oh.
Along with my other plants I also grow.
Petunias, tulips.
And others.
Everything.
Same with the butter. Your son helped with that. He's very good at that.
You got one really strong arm.
Yeah, he's very good.
One really strong
Very
arm.
good at this. I was surprised. He went on for like a really long time. I'm like, you need a break, son? No, he's fine.
So I'm putting in about... Becky? Okay.
Thank you, darling.
Did you get it?
No.
Well, what I'm putting in here is about 2 cups of flour. She handmade in a kiln her goddamn measuring cup, so she won't let me show us the correct way to put it in egg. She did it with one hand. She did it with one hand. She did it with one hand.
Just one. All you need. You're my idol.
Stir it up. Sometimes.
More of this sort of motion helps, I think.
Betsy, I've made cookies before.
Well, darling, so have I. There you go.
You're gonna want to just put in some butter. I usually measure it, but once again, I'm allowed to touch somebody. Oh, I missed. Somebody's toy.
My goodness.
Rebecca and
She's fine. Actually, I don't know where you've been. Probably someplace
she smells like she's been outside.
sticky.
Okay, so we're gonna need a little bit more. I think what we're going to need now is just a smidge of water.
Yeah,
so
well,
we'll get a drink.
Yes, Oh my! Oh, Becky, you little trickster. It's my good apron.
This can of sugar cost us $38 because it was handmade.
Flown in
From
Colombia.
We paid for
Best sugar cane they have out there.
We paid for their fare. Yeah?
First class.
Yeah, first it's gonna cut some in here.
Oh.
That's a lot more than I wanted, but okay.
But nice and sweet, just like us.
Just nice, sweet. Becky, you're gonna want to do what you sort of mash it up.
Need it.
Need it.
The word is need. Like I need a drink right now.
You know, come to think of it, I'm a little bit thirsty myself.
Would you like a drink?
I think at this point, now that I've got my hands in $40 worth of cookie dough, I think I would like a drink.
Well, I'll fix you up right now.
Oh
Real
my
nice.
gosh, am I gonna get a real southern cut? Can I get an old
Here,
stuff? Oh my god, what is this?
It's a special drink.
What is this called?
It's called...
Becky, no!
No, darling. You should not drink that. That's just for your mother.
That's for grown-ups. That's for grown-ups.
Just for your mother.
That's just... Oh, it smells like bubble gum. Oh, that's good.
It is
That's good.
Yeah.
Oh, again. I'm a bit dizzy.
You drank a touch fast, but just
I'm a
pace
bit
yourself.
dizzy. Okay,
Pace
so
yourself.
what we're going to do next is we're just going to take these cookies and we're going to put them up. No, did we butter the sheet?
We should grease the sheet.
Or what you can also do if you don't want to get fat is you can put some flour down on the cookie sheet.
Oh,
Guide my
lovely.
hand.
Lovely tip.
Guide my hand. Okay. Don't you how.
How big should we do it?
You should do about that.
Okay, alright.
About the size of my hand. And you just kind of pop them down. They're called drop cookies. Because you drop them.
Y'all ever had moonshine?
I've had
It's
like
the
this
acronym,
really
not
bad
for
rash
a moon
before, and I went to the hospital. And when I went to the hospital,
know what?
what they
Strawberries make out in there too. Pace yourself, darling.
Oh,
Let's just pace yourself.
oh, that is Christmas joy.
It
Oh,
really is. Brings me
Okay.
lots of joy. Snowing!
oh no.
Snowing inside. So Ethel, darling, remember, pace yourself. One sip of
You.
oh. She
Don't use that kind of language.
Christmas spirit.
It's unbecoming on a lady.
and if they come out clean, they're done. They're done.
They're done.
They're done. Done.
They look like little shitlets.
That was the intention there.
They're right here. Okay, so we're just gonna. Oh, it smells atrocious.
Ethel.
And the camera want to see the
Look how
final
beautiful
product.
are those. They're so pretty.
Ethel.
Turn it out.
And that's how you make cookies.
That's how you make cookies.
Ta-da! This recipe will be. We just had our first cooking show. I'd call that a not a success. I think that was more of like a practice run, so we know what not to do for the next time. Main criteria, I think, no booze for Ethel. Lovely woman cannot hold her liquor at all. Cookies came out fine. Sean ate a whole bunch from me, 11 pieces. Give them a recipe. I'm baking a big batch of Christmas. But, yeah, it turned out fine. Maybe, I think it was the ingredients mostly. The expensiveness makes them better. Ethel, anything to add, dear?
Suck my.
I think she's done her commentary for the night, thank God. And so, we conclude our first cooking show. Again, no booze. Number one rule for Ethel, not for me. I like my booze.
Dean Martin. Oh, you're so warm.